my brush, but still I won't fret. My milk is past due, that much I can boast. I stomach this curdled dairy sludge and I push down some toast. Beep, 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 beep. Oh no, fire, help! I frantically snuff out all these flames, yet I proudly yell, the best day ever. The day Mr. Sun keeps shining on me, my best day ever. On this glistening bright-eyed Tuesday morn, my heart's filled with glee. Oh man, Sparky, I can't believe my car was stolen.
I can't believe they left the tires.
This can't happen today. It's my big meeting with the boss. I think I'm getting a promotion.
Lloyd, why do you deserve a promotion? Your job is writing instruction books for household appliances, and somehow you've still never been published.
Today's different, Sparky. Yesterday I submitted a manuscript for the toaster. It's my masterpiece.
Lloyd, everybody already knows how toasters work.
Everybody needs a manual. Every person needs a guide. When your blender won't chop Oreos for an awesome ice cream pie, well, I'll write down those directions. I can answer every plea. I'll address their every question. I want them to count on me. Everybody needs a manual. Every hero needs a map. Everybody needs that something to keep them on the right track. And though life can get confusing, they need help to cross the sea. Well, I can be that person. I want them to count on me.
That's the stupidest thing I ever heard. Who aspires to be an instruction book?
I think it's just better to be optimistic about things. You just wait. Someday, everybody who's anybody will know how to work their toasters. All thanks to me.
Lloyd, everybody already knows how to toast.
A huge day at work. Birds pooped on my shoes. And though my future lies on the brink, still I fight off the blues. Yeah.
Squirrel, squirrel, over there!
No, Sparky, come back! Oh, my precious canine companion split. Ah, cut me some slack. The best-ish day ever. Oh, I certainly can't let it go to my head. The best-ish day ever. The day I get up from this unlucky side of my now dogless bed. Oh, Sparky! Sparky! Where'd you go?
Squirrel, 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 tennis ball, squirrel, 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 tennis ball, fire hydrant. Boy, Lloyd was right. Being optimistic really is the best way to look at things.
Oh, Mr. Clemens, I'm here, and I'm ready for our big meeting today. Did you get a chance to read my manual for the toaster? It's my masterpiece.
Well, well, if it isn't Lloyd, my only copywriter, so incompetent that he can't even scribe the simplest instructions. You're 2 hours late.
Sir, I'm so sorry. I'm here now. We can have that important conversation you wanted to have.
I suppose you're right. Listen, Lloyd, I got some news to tell ya. You're fired. I don't like to sing.
Now I'll never write a manual, couldn't rise up to the prose, poured my heart into these manuals, but my dreams come to a close. I'm homeless and broke, power cord as my belt. But now I persevere through the pain with the hand I've been dealt. The best worst day ever. day nothing good can happen to me. The best, worst day ever. Despite all this crazy, no good luck, my heart's filled with glee. Who said that? Sparky! The best, worst day ever. With my dog finally back, my life is complete. Best, worst day ever. I will pick myself off the ground and finally just cross the